video will show you how to set Swarovski stones in settings, like these pear-shaped stones shown in the elven leaf earrings.
To set the small pear stone, place it foil side down into the setting. Make sure that the same amount of foil is exposed on all the sides before you push down the prongs. Adjust as necessary. Once you get your stone in place, which may take a couple tries, place the bottom jaw of your pliers on the underside of the prong that you want to push down and the top jaw of the pliers on the prong, and gently squeeze and push the prong down onto the face of the stone. Then rotate and repeat. When you rotate, make sure you're still pinching the stone and the setting firmly in place so that the stone doesn't shift while you're rotating it. Squeeze and push down the prongs.